Hey Team Avondale, it's Nelson here, and we are super grateful for your continued support for our Q2 Spirit of Community initiative supporting Operation Once in a Lifetime. Operation Once in a Lifetime as an organization helps to make the dreams of military members, their families, and honorable discharged veterans come true. They take being called the Make-A-Wish of the military to heart. Just a reminder, back in July, we asked each dealership and our collision center to write over 300 thank you notes and create over 300 welcome home baskets. These baskets included items such as pillows, towels, bed sheets, shower curtains, snacks, toothpaste, deodorant, and more as U.S. service members return home from their deployment for a 14-day quarantine period to be back home with their families. It was truly a collaborative Team Avondale effort as every dealership, each department, and our collision center came together to write thank you notes, volunteer their time, and much, much more to make this happen. But this isn't just about what we did, but why we did this Q2 Spirit of Community initiative, partnering up with Operation Once in a Lifetime.
But just something subtle or something just in a way to go, hey, we appreciate your service and you're not forgotten. And even though we're here living our lives, but we remember every one of them has sacrificed their time, birthdays, anniversaries. The unit that you guys just recently helped, again, these guys are coming back home, and the one thing is that we wanted to show them that we remember, and so the experience was just hey, outfit their rooms and make sure that they had every necessity.
So over the next few minutes, you will hear from a few Avondale members and their personal connections to the military and how making welcome home baskets truly does make a difference in our community.
I personally wanted to contribute to Operation Once in a Lifetime with my direct connections to the military, and I have a personal desire to help.
This initiative is really important to me. My father was in the Army. My older brother was a Marine for 22 years. He saw some heavy action. Now I've got my son-in-law. My daughter's husband is in the Navy right now.
Spent 6 years in the military, served as a United States Navy search and rescue swimmer, and then when the ships were deployed, I worked on tactical air navigation systems as far as the electronic side of things as well.
I have a cousin that is in the military. It means a lot to me to help our soldiers out.
First of all, I'd like to say thank you to the military. I'd also like to especially say thank you to Avondale for putting this together.
They just take initiative and do it themselves. It's an honor to work for a company like that.
Leadership starts at the top. If they support it, that gives us that ability to show our support. That shows that they care, and that means a lot to the military members that work here and the military members overseas.
The pride that you feel in knowing that you work with a company that wants to step out and help the community, help with these service people, it's phenomenal to me.
I think having a personal connection to something we're doing as a company, much like myself with my younger brother being in the Air Force, or my childhood best friend and still best friend in the Air Force.
These guys are out fighting for our freedom. They're the reason we're able to do what we do for a living. We cannot forget that. We've got to support that in every way possible, in my opinion.
Supporting the military has always been a very big part of my life.
I felt like it was personal to me, kind of giving a little bit more depth and actually letting them know that we appreciate them and that we're here for them.
It just makes you feel good to tell them how much we appreciate what they do.
I got those care packages when I was deployed. Getting those letters when I was in, it meant the world to me.
No matter how little the time or effort that you do, it does count, and it goes a long way for us.
You elevate your career that you've started with the company because you feel like you're connecting. Because really our company is a second family to us all. We spend a lot of time together.
Oh, when I see other members chip in, it brings a smile to your face. That's really, I think, all you can say to that is to see that the whole crew is out there wanting to help out too.
It was pretty awesome to see all of our collision members here helping out.
I felt really good and blessed to work with a team that was passionate about something that I was passionate in, and that I spent 10 years of my life doing. Seeing them pitch in and do so much for those that they've never met, they don't know, it meant a lot.
You just have to enjoy it, take every moment that you can.